So if your microphone isn't working in your Windows 10 or 11, whether it's built-in or external, this guide will provide you step-by-step to fix this problem. So first, you need to check the correct microphone. Ensure that the Windows is using the correct microphone. If you have multiple audio devices connected, Windows might select the wrong one. So you need to go to Settings first and go to System. Now go to the sound option from the left-hand side of the screen and ensure that the correct microphone is selected under the input device. You can also test your microphone using this option right here to confirm it's working, and make sure that the microphone permissions are enabled so Windows and your applications can use your microphone. So go to Settings and under your input device, click on Device Properties. Then after, make sure that the disable option is not checked here. You can also start to test from this page, then come back, then open the sound control panel, go to recording and select the microphone that you're using, then try disabling it and enable it again. You can also go to its properties, then after go to levels and set it according to your preference. You can also try updating or reinstalling your microphone's driver through Device Manager. So go ahead and open your Device Manager. Here, expand the audio input and output section. Select your microphone, right-click on it, and select Update Driver. If updating does not work, right-click on your microphone again and select Uninstall Device and restart your PC after uninstalling the device. Windows will typically reinstall the driver automatically. You can also try restarting the Windows audio services. So open the run command on your computer, enter services.nsc, hit enter on your keyboard, find the Windows audio option and Windows audio endpoint filter in the list, right-click on each service and select restart. Also ensure that your operating system is up to date as updates often include bug fixes and driver improvement. Go to Settings and then select Update and Security. Go to Windows Update and check for updates right here. And if there are any update available, go ahead and install it on your device. And if your microphone is still not working, after trying these fixes, test it on another computer or try a different USB port if you're using a USB microphone. If it remains undetected, the microphone itself may be faulty. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.